has a wrench that he's hooked on an airplane, and he's towing it that way. Sort of intriguing and very smart. Where are you going?
Not right now. Here, baby. I got to on this hook. I'll try. Because I can go like this. I'll roll it up. I want this. Oh, you want to what? Roll it up. They put it up by themselves. No, I don't want you to do that. Yeah. No.
Bubba, what are you doing? Do you want a baba yet?
I know. I want to because the toast and painting us. The
Where are you going with the tow truck? Where are you going?
Thanks, Noah.
That was nice of you, Noah. Hey, what was that?
I poked you.
You poked my camera. No more poking the camera. Be careful. Be careful. Whoa. Uh-oh.